In this tutorial, we will learn how to data communication using the USART module of PIC Microcontroller. For data communication, we have created an example. In this example, we will do data communication between two microcontrollers. They are using the Matrix Keypad at the second microcontroller. We will control the LCD display at the first microcontroller. Here we have set the first microcontroller as a receiver and second microcontroller as a transmitter. Now let's take a closer look at the USART module. The Universal Synchronous Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter USART module is one of the two serial input-output modules. USART is also known as a Serial Communication Interface or SCI. The USART can be configured as a full duplex asynchronous system that can communicate with peripheral devices such as CRT terminal and personal computer, or it can be configured as a half duplex synchronous system that can communicate with peripheral devices such as AD or DA integrated circuit, serial EEPROM, etc. The USART can be configured in the following modes: asynchronous full duplex, synchronous master half duplex, synchronous slab half duplex. In this tutorial, we have used asynchronous simplex data transmission. In asynchronous transmission, data is sent in form of byte or character. This transmission is half duplex type transmission. In this transmission, start bit and stop bit are added with data. Do not trigger any synchronization. In simplex data transmission, data is transmitted sender to receiver. Here's the circuit schematic. It has two parts, one is receiver and other is sender. The LCD display is connected to the receiver and keypad module is connected to the sender. Here the TX pin of the sender is connected to RX pin at the receiver. In this tutorial, we have set C and D button of keypad module for LCD display clear and shift cursor. If you press the C button, the LCD will clear, and if you press the D button, the LCD cursor will shift second row. Here's the Mikro C code for sender. In this code, we have included USART library. In define section, we have defined keypad module connection. The keypad module is connected to port D. We have to need a unsigned character variable kp that will store the keypad key value. In main section, we have need to initialize the USART module at 9600 kilobit per second. Here's the 100 millisecond delay which stabilizes the USART module. Next, we have initialized the keypad module. In the main loop, we have to set the kp variable value is 0. We have created do while loop which wait for keypad key click. Next, we have write switch statement. The USART on_write function send the kp variable value to the receiver. Here's the Mikro C code for receiver. In this code, we have included USART library. In define section, we have defined LCD module connection. We have to need a unsigned character variable CHR that will store the USART buffer register value. In main section, we have to need initialize the USART module at 9600 kilobit per second. Here's the 100 millisecond delay which stabilizes the USART module. Next, we have initialized the LCD module. We have to write some command for LCD module. In the main loop section, we have to need if statement which will check the received data. Using the USART on_write function, we will read and store the data into CHR variable. Next, we have created if-else statement which compare the CHR variable value with predefined value. If the CHR variable value is 67, the LCD will clear, and if the CHR variable value is 68, the LCD cursor will shift second row. Now we will upload the code and see the practical example. Thanks for watching. For more video and tutorials, visit my website. You can find the link in my video description box.